Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace your tail lights for your 04 or 05 WRX or STI. The tail lights on this car are from a 06-07 Hawkeye STI, and this is of course a 05 STI, so the mismatched tail lights, and I kind of prefer the older version tail lights. So we're going to be removing the tail lights off this car, and then we're going to be replacing them with the proper 05 STI tail lights. So we're going to start off by popping up the trunk, and then we're going to get these bad boys pulled out. Okay, a clip here and a few clips inside there. We're going to get those popped out, and then we'll pull the interior piece off out of the way, and then we can get to the screws in the back of the tail light. Okay, now that we have this out of the way, now we have, looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, at least 4, and these look about 8mm nuts, so I'm gonna get a little 8mm socket and get these zapped off, and then the headlight will pull off once we get the electrical connections disconnected too. So we're gonna go ahead and get these zapped off. Okay, we now have our electrical connection disconnected, and we have all our nuts taken off, so theoretically now the tail light will come out. Okay, now we're going to grab our new tail light and we're going to slowly push it in, and it should line up no problem. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, we have the tail light put in, so now we just need to connect the electrical wires and then put in our nuts, and then we're good to go. Okay, and I'm just going to leave this open until I check the taillight to make sure all the bulbs work. So we're going to now switch to the other side, and it's going to be the exact same process because it's going to be 4 nuts, and we just have to remove a couple clips to get the interior piece pulled back, and then we can get it unbolted and put the new one back in. Okay, we've now checked the lights. The turn signal works on both sides, the reverse, and then we have 2 brake running lights, and then the outside one gets brighter when you press on the brake pedal, and then the circular one here will turn on. I had a difficult time because the electrical connections, these are used taillights I got off a guy. The electrical connections were incorrect, so I had to do a lot of rearranging and look at videos, and it was really difficult because I couldn't find anything online. So if you guys are having a difficult time trying to figure out, so you have your 3 gray on the top. For this connection, it's going to be black, your ground, and then your power is going to be a striped white and black, and then your gray here is going to be a brown and black, and then over here is going to be a solid white and black. Down here is a light brown for the center, and then on the outside here is the darker brown. So if you guys are trying to figure out your electrical connections for this, if they're kind of screwed up, you get used ones. So that's gonna hopefully help you out there. Now we can just put the interior back together, and then we can get these kind of buffed out, polish them, and then this will be looking pretty good. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap up this video. That's how you install taillights for 0405 WRX STI, and also applies to the Hawkeye Subarus. So like, subscribe to help with the analytics, and tomorrow I plan on debadging the Subaru and the WRX logo, and I'm keeping the STI. So make sure to subscribe to see that content, and look forward to seeing you guys in the future. Later.